Always put your hands in your mouth. You put those hands in your mouth all the time. All the time. Every time you look, you have your hands in your mouth. You know, she works at that.
Yeah.
She works at that. Look at that tongue. She knows just where to put it
to make the right noises.
Yeah. You're funny. You're funny. You are so funny. You're hysterical funny.
That's still snoring.
Listen to your father. Listen to your father.
He's snoring in the background.